Imagine being able to make restaurant-quality slushies, creamy milkshakes, and café-style frappés right at home. But with so many options on the market, finding a machine that truly delivers great performance and value isn't easy. That's why, in today's video, I'll show you the top 5 best slushie machines. Make sure to watch until the end, because your perfect machine might be on this list. Number 1. Ninja SLUSHi FS301 Slushie Machine. The Ninja SLUSHi FS301 Slushie Machine is designed for users who want fast and effortless frozen drinks at home. With its advanced rapid chill technology, it eliminates the need for ice and quickly transforms liquids into smooth slushies and frozen beverages. The large 88-ounce capacity makes it perfect for family use parties or gatherings where multiple servings are needed without frequent refilling during busy moments. It features 5 preset programs, allowing you to prepare margaritas, frappés, smoothies, and more with just one touch for added convenience. The user-friendly interface ensures easy operation while maintaining consistent texture and taste in every drink you make. Its premium design with modern black accents adds a stylish look to any kitchen setup. The machine is built for durability and long-term performance, ensuring reliable use over time. Overall, this Ninja SLUSHi machine offers convenience, speed, and versatility, making it a great choice for anyone who wants high-quality frozen drinks at home without hassle. Number 2. Iceman by Chefman Slushie's Machine. The Iceman by Chefman Slushie's Machine is a practical solution for making refreshing frozen drinks quickly and easily at home. With a 68-ounce tank and 48-ounce liquid capacity, it is suitable for small gatherings and everyday use without taking up too much space in your kitchen. This machine features 5 preset programs, allowing you to create margaritas, frappés, smoothies, and shakes with minimal effort and consistent results every time. The LED display provides clear control and helps monitor settings for better accuracy during operation. Its efficient freezing system ensures smooth texture without needing constant supervision, which makes it very convenient for busy users. The compact design makes it easy to place on kitchen counters without cluttering your space or affecting your setup. It is designed for user convenience with simple controls and easy cleaning after use. Overall, the Chefman Slush-Ease offers simplicity, functionality, consistent results, dependable performance, and excellent reliability for everyday use at home. Number 3. No Ice Slushie Machine with Temp Display. The No Ice Slushie Machine is designed for users who want a hassle-free way to prepare frozen drinks without using ice. This machine uses advanced cooling technology to freeze liquids, directly delivering smooth and consistent slushies every time. It features a real-time temperature display, allowing users to monitor and control the freezing process easily. With 6 preset programs, it supports a variety of drinks, including ice cream, frappés, milkshakes, and more. The multi-mode functionality adds flexibility for different recipes and preferences. Its compact design makes it suitable for home kitchens without occupying much space. The machine is built for convenience with simple operation, efficient performance, and user-friendly controls for daily use. It ensures even freezing, which improves texture, taste, and consistency in every serving. Overall, this slushie maker offers versatility, ease of use, reliable results, and consistent performance, making it ideal for users who want quick frozen drinks at home without dealing with ice or complicated steps, for better convenience and improved user experience every day. Number 4. WETIE 82-ounce Slushie Machine. The WETIE 82-ounce Slushie Machine is built for users who want a powerful and versatile frozen drink maker for home use. With its large 82-ounce capacity, it is perfect for serving multiple drinks during gatherings or daily use. The adjustable temperature control allows users to customize the texture of their drinks for better results. It features a clear LED display for easy monitoring and control during operation. The machine supports 5 functions, including ice cream, frappés, milkshakes, and frozen margaritas, making it highly versatile. Its auto-cleaning feature adds convenience by reducing maintenance effort after use. The 24-hour running capability ensures consistent performance for extended use without interruptions. The strong build quality supports long-term durability and reliability. Overall, the WETIE Slushie Machine offers flexibility, convenience, and performance, making it a great option for users who want multiple drink options with easy operation and consistent results at home. Number 5. 85-ounce Slushie and Ice Cream Machine. The 85-ounce Slushie and Ice Cream Machine is designed for users who want a complete frozen dessert solution at home. With its large capacity, it can prepare multiple servings, making it ideal for families and gatherings. This machine features 6 preset programs that allow you to make margaritas, frappés, milkshakes, and soft-serve ice cream easily. The no-ice technology simplifies the process by freezing liquids, directly ensuring smooth texture and consistent results. The LED display provides clear control and makes operation simple for all users. Its automatic cleaning function reduces effort and saves time after use. The machine is built for convenience and reliability, offering stable performance during regular use. Its modern design fits well in any kitchen setup. Overall, this machine delivers versatility, ease of use, and consistent performance, making it a practical choice for anyone who wants to enjoy a variety of frozen drinks and desserts at home. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.